Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm testing something I've been curious about. How the C80 handles autofocus when filming wildlife in motion. Now the camera has two autofocus modes, one for people and one for animals. So I switched to animal mode and I headed to PCH State Beach, where birds give you the perfect challenge. Either they chill quietly or they take off like rockets. Now I tried tracking them manually at first, but to be honest with you, they were too fast, I couldn't keep up with them. So I let the autofocus take over and I shot the entire video that way. Now everything you're about to see was captured in 24p using C-Log 2 with the Canon lens 70 to 200mm f2.8. I also switched the sensor mode to Super 35 to get that extra reach, to get to 320mm instead of 200mm. Now for me, the Canon C80 isn't just a wildlife camera. It's a solid tool for narrative, documentary, and run and gun setups. It's Netflix approved, lightweight, and surprisingly responsive. Now check out the video and let me know in the comments, how do you think the autofocus held up? Especially at the end when the birds were flying fast. Would you trust the C80 for your work? Personally, I do. Now, is the autofocus perfect? It's not perfect. Of course not. Nothing is perfect. But it's a really powerful tool, excellent tool that you can use to shoot your video. And if you like the video, please subscribe, like, and share. Let's dive in.